What's the meaning of antagonize? Antagonize. 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 Antagonize.
The word antagonize means to provoke or cause someone to become hostile or angry. When a person antagonizes another, they are intentionally doing something that is likely to upset or irritate them. This can result in negative consequences such as arguments, fights, or damaged relationships. The act of antagonizing someone can also escalate an already tense situation, making it more difficult to resolve. It is generally not a productive or effective way to communicate with others and can lead to further conflict.